Have you ever stepped into bright sunlight and suddenly sneezed? You might be experiencing the photic sneeze reflex, also known as ACHOO syndrome. This quirky genetic trait affects 10 to 35% of people. It happens because the optic nerve, which detects light, is located close to the trigeminal nerve, responsible for sneezing. When bright light hits your eyes, the optic nerve sends a signal that can confuse the trigeminal nerve, making it think your nose is irritated. If one of your parents has this reflex, there's a 50% chance you'll inherit it too. Some theories suggest it's an ancient reflex designed to clear nasal passages when transitioning from dark to bright environments. Interestingly, many people sneeze in twos or threes, and it's most common when moving from a dark room into the sunlight. So, if you've ever sneezed while squinting at the sun, you're not alone. Your brain is just wired that way.